Lexie. And I'm Oliver, and our mom is filming us right now. We are making face mask shields for doctors and nurses that are saving lives every day. So this is what you're going to get in the kit, and you have to visit this website.
www.massfaceshields.com.
And so what you're going to get in the kit is the shields. You're not going to take the plastic off. We're going to explain that a little later. You're going to get visors. You're going to need this foam tape, this stretchy ribbon, elastic, and from your own home you should provide a Sharpie, a long gardening ruler, scissors that can cut through elastic, and your sanitized area. Number 1, get your elastic and cut it into 16 inches. The next step is cutting the foam tape into 8.75 inches or strips, like so. Step 3 is you get your foam tape. Yeah. And you visor. Yeah, and the visor. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it upside down, because you have to put it this way. You would put it on you like so. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the so you put it like this. You're gonna take the brown paper off. So you still have the foam. Yeah, the foam has the sticky part. And you're gonna put it on. Just like so. You press down pretty lightly. And it should be lined up right there. So it's flat. And it's okay if you try again. The tape is still sticky. Yeah. With your shield, you're gonna peel down a little bit below the holes, and you are not gonna peel farther. You have to do it on both sides. There's a clear and a white side, like so. And yeah. The 5th step is you need your visor and your shield, and the 2 holes on your shield and the 2 front knobs on your visor. I will grab a parent for this, or a guardian, someone a little stronger, because this is a pretty hard task. So with the knobs, you're gonna put it on your knee or a harder surface so you don't break it. You might also need some scissors because it might be too small. And it should look like that. The holes might be too small, and you'll have to loosen it up with the scissors. Just gonna pop it on. And voila. Step 6. Popping in the surrounding area and tying the string. It might not stay right away, but just try your best. And it usually leads to success. After that, you're gonna tie the string in. So now we're gonna put the string in upward, not down, up. After that, you're gonna put it through this hole and tie a knot. Make sure it's tight so it's together. Not a double knot, because people have different head sizes. Not everybody has the same head size.
7, final product.
Now don't put it on, but you can really, really be proud of your work. You might just save a doctor's life. Before we go, we want to give a special thank you to
My mom filming.
the Mass Face Shield for giving us these kits to save doctors' lives.
Teachers.
Hospital staff, including doctors, nurses, and cleaning people. Post office workers, including mail delivery and packages. We also want to do first responders, including firefighters, police officers, and
EMTs.
we also want to give a thank you to restaurants and grocery stores / food markets for giving us food that we can eat, and everybody who's helping by just staying home. Stay happy, healthy, and hopeful.
Oliver and Lexie.